屠殺之後，香港以一個細小嘅城市獨立發起咗震動國際嘅黃雀行動，救出咗400幾位背負嚴重罪行嘅政治犯。2019年運動期間，香港人有一句口號：香港孩子，香港人救。我舊年問咗大家一次㗎啦，而家再問一次，香港手足邊個救？聽唔到？香港手足邊個救？香港手足，香港人救。過去3年，多倫多支聯會嘅香港人道援助基金救援咗超過50位需要政治庇護嘅手足。佢哋有學生、工人、文員、醫生、律師、教師、會計師、電腦工程師、牧師、區議員、議員助理、政黨嘅年青領袖。今年我哋開始接收放學嘅手足。點樣為之係放學嘅手足呢？即係話付出咗沉重嘅代價之後，嚟唔切上救生艇。佢哋有啲放學之後攞唔返護照，有啲要繼續接受調查嚟到指證其他人，有啲做唔返自己嘅專業，因為有案底。我哋最近收到幾個 case， 有因為齋遊行而被判3年，有被插贓嫁禍坐2年幾。有一個被喺監獄裏邊受性侵，身心受到重大嘅打擊而無法重新入返個社會。有個放學之後攞咗 passport， 終於有 passport 啦，去旅行，但係俾民主嘅社會拒絕佢入境，原機遣返，因為佢承認，太乖啦呢啲小朋友，佢承認。人哋問佢你有冇犯罪記錄，佢話有，填咗有犯罪記錄，所以原機遣返。有個因為揾到份好工，已經話會請佢㗎啦，但係佢要填一份表，嗰份表問佢有冇參加過2019嘅遊行。今日我哋有一位放學嘅手足，頭先佢出嚟講咗啦，有另外一位啱啱放學冇幾耐嘅手足，佢好硬淨，好勇敢，佢嚟咗我哋中間，願意為咗幫助其他放學嘅手足出嚟向大家呼籲，支持香港人道援助基金。我哋歡迎呢一位手足。
大家好，我係2019年被告暴動而入獄嘅手足。我喺放學之後面對住新香港，成個氛圍都令我覺得好壓抑。咁要揾返工亦都好唔容易，亦都會擔心會再次被受到政治檢控。咁當下係見唔到未來，亦都過唔到當下，所以我就決定嚟咗加拿大。我想多謝多倫多支聯會喺我到埗之後幫我 settle down， 幫我揾屋。亦都揾咗律師幫我申請政治庇護難民。咁我喺頭幾個月都要等呢個 work permit 嘅審批，同埋都要揾工。亦都係因為喺香港在囚嘅2年幾期間完全冇收入，所以多倫多支聯會都經濟上支援咗我好多，包括頭幾個月嘅租金啊、生活資助咁樣。咁我而家好彩揾到工啦，可以自立。亦都希望可以之後一切順利，可以開展新嘅一頁。咁其實我算係早入去，亦都早出嚟嘅嗰一批。我知道今年、下年，甚至可能27、28之後，都陸陸續續會有好大批嘅手足出冊。但係而家 Hong Kong Pathway 嘅 OWP 已經結束咗申請。咁呢個政治庇護難民可能就係佢哋嘅出路。我唔係第一個被多倫多支聯會幫嘅人。亦都希望之後有更加多有需要嘅人，面對同樣情況嘅人，可以得到同樣嘅幫助。希望大家會支持多倫多支聯會喺呢方面嘅付出。希望今日大家紀念6四嘅時候，同時會記得香港人喺2019年 甚至乎19年前後到而家所發生過嘅事，可以持續咁關注香港、台灣同埋中國發生嘅一切。I'm one of the protesters being politically prosecuted in Hong Kong in 2019 for rioting, and I was imprisoned. Life after release is not easy for me. It's not easy to face new Hong Kong or to find a job. The overall atmosphere in Hong Kong feels oppressive to me. I constantly worry about being politically prosecuted again. In the end, I decided to come here to Canada. I want to thank TADC for helping me to settle down. They helped me to find a place to live and helped me to find a lawyer to apply for the political asylum as a refugee. I spent the first few months waiting for my work permit, and since I have no income for the more than 2 years when I was imprisoned in Hong Kong, TADC also supported me financially, helping with the rent, living expenses for the first few months. I'm lucky to have the job now and be able to support myself. I hope things will go smoothly and that I can start a new chapter. I was among the early group to be imprisoned and released. I know that this year, next year, or even in 2027 or 2028 or later, more and more political prisoners will be released. With the application for OWP for the Hong Kong pathway already expired, political asylum might be their way out. I'm not the first person TADC has helped. I hope more people in need, for those facing a similar situation, can also receive the support they need. I hope everyone will continue to support the work TADC during this area. Today, as we commemorate June 4th, I also hope we all remember what happened in Hong Kong in 2019 and everything happened since then. Let's keep paying attention to the situation in both Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China. Thank you. 多謝大家。